Peterson horizontal grinders have set a standard for proven performance and production. Peterson manufactures the finest recycling equipment available today. We excel in producing biofuel from woodlands and waste wood. Our experience in the grinding business positioned us perfectly to face the challenges of cleaning up the storm debris left by the 2005 hurricane season. We were not only able to supply superior equipment solutions for contractors working in the Gulf Coast area, but Peterson support staff were on the ground with parts and service for months, ensuring that our clients were able to fulfill their contracts and meet deadlines. Many types of machines are made to reduce large pieces of material into smaller sizes. Woody debris mixed with other materials is typically reduced with high-speed horizontal or tub grinders. Peterson played a leading role in the development of horizontal grinders, primarily as a safer alternative to tub grinders. Another differentiation in horizontal grinders is the rotor's turning direction. Peterson developed the first commercially successful horizontal grinder that uses an upturning rotor. Upturning rotors reduce materials using a different grinding process. The upturning bits typically break off longer fragments since they are not cutting against an anvil. Secondary reduction occurs above the rotor and against the anvil. Final reduction and sizing occurs in the grates. This grinding process typically is more productive and less energy consuming with fewer fines produced than a downturning rotor. Peterson has refined this upturning grinding process with a variety of innovations. All Peterson horizontal grinders feature our patented impact release system. The anvil and first grade assembly releases when impacted, permitting non-crushable objects to be ejected, thereby minimizing damage to the bits, anvil, rotor, and grates. Another unique Peterson innovation is the impact cushion system. The pivot shaft for the feed roll and anvil housings utilizes an impact-absorbing mount that reduces peak loads into the shaft and support structures. Grate retainers are held in place with shear pin protected supports. The pins can shear to minimize rotor damage if a non-crushable object is encountered. As a result of our experience with contaminated feed materials, Peterson developed additional protection systems to extend the market application for Peterson grinders. With our floating anvil system, the anvil and first grade assembly floats against an adjustable air cushion. This configuration is typically used with a half-second grate removed, which permits uncrushable materials to readily pass. The low pressure required to open the anvil minimizes impact damage to the bits from hard objects, with a resulting increase in useful bit life. The rotor speed can be reduced on the 6700 series models when grinding abrasive or contaminated materials. A speed reduction of 19% can be achieved with optional shivs, and a further reduction can be achieved by reducing the engine speed. To keep wear rates low with abrasive or non-crushable construction and demolition materials, this lower speed shiv option is desirable. The combination of these innovations makes Peterson horizontal grinders the ideal machines for many C&D volume reduction jobs. The grinders work equally well in mixed green waste and in C&D materials that are primarily organic. The work of compacting landfill material has been largely the work of dozers and heavy steel-wheeled landfill compactors. This raw application of weight is only partially effective at achieving maximum compaction. Grinding C&D debris to reduce the physical size substantially increases density of the compacted landfill by reducing voids in the material. A recent study of a C&D landfill by an independent landfill consultant suggested that a Peterson 6700B horizontal grinder equipped with a floating anvil and speed-reduced rotor achieved a 50% reduction in volume. For many landfills, a reduction of 25% or more should be achievable. Of course, the increase in landfill density will be highly dependent on the type of material being processed. When landfill tipping fees were low, it was not economically justified to grind construction and demolition or municipal solid waste to achieve a higher compacted density. Also, grinders were not available that could economically do this job. Today, the value of extending a landfill's life by a few years can be very high and can readily justify the grinding cost to achieve this useful life extension. Peterson horizontal grinders, with their many innovations for this industry, are the clear choice for this application. Peterson is dedicated to the continued development, sale, and support of the best recycling equipment available. We not only build equipment, we build relationships with our clients for their long-term growth and profitability. Our success is due to listening to our clients, reacting to their needs, and finding solutions. To learn more about any of our products, contact us. We'll be happy to show you how we're creating solutions to tomorrow's problems. You can reach us at 800-269-6520 or visit our website at petersoncorp.com.